U.S. indices slide ahead of tariffs. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNS, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The Nasdaq 100 initially tried to rally, but then gave back gains to show signs of negativity as we wait for those tariffs coming out of the United States at the end of the session. So-called Liberation Day by the Donald Trump administration has the markets nervous, and therefore we don't really know what to do. And I think a lot of traders are just simply on the sidelines. It is worth noting that we have had a nice recovery on both Monday and Tuesday. So I think the market wants to go higher, but the question is whether or not it will get good news at the end of the session to make that happen. At this point, it's more or less a coin flip. The Dow Jones 30 has found the 200-day EMA offering pretty significant resistance above the 42,000 level, and pulling back the way it has. I think this is a situation where we are just killing time in this range. And again, we are just waiting for those tariffs. It'll be interesting to see how this behaves, but keep in mind that the announcement comes out at the end of the trading session. So the real reaction will be first moments of the Thursday session. It could be rather chaotic, and therefore, again, this is probably a market that you're just killing time in. The S&P 500 initially did try to rally, but it now finds itself back at the 5,600 level at the time of recording, as we just don't have a lot of risks we're taking out there right now. If the tariffs end up being pretty brutal, that could send this market right back down to the lows where we formed that potential double bottom. On the other hand, if the market perceives them as being flexible, then the 200-day EMA could be the target. And again, there's the rub. The announcement comes out at the end of the session, and until we get that out of the way, there really isn't a whole lot to confirm or be comfortable with in the stock indices. My name's Chris. I work for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more analysis.